This is Greg Troutwine with Offshore Engineer TV. We're here at the OTC 2024 in Houston. We're very pleased to be joined by Giovanni Taverna of Regal Rexnord to discuss the multiple technologies that this company has. Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself, your role in the company, and Regal Rexnord in general.
Yes, thank you very much. My name is Giovanni Taverna and I'm the sales director for the global oil and gas market at Regal Rexnord. I've been with the company for 12 years and I've been taking care of this market since 6 years. Yeah, as you know, Regal Rexnord is the perfect partner for power transmission and motion control. We can take care of the complete powertrain to our wide range of products in this industry. And especially for the oil and gas offshore industry, or in general for the offshore energy industry, we have developed some products in order to ensure to supply our customers with more safety, more sustainability for this industry, and at the end of the day, more efficiency in order to avoid accidents in this industry and make everybody working in this industry safer, not only for the equipment, but of course also for the workers in offshore energy.
Okay, so specifically the Formsprag Clutch, I noticed that it's small. What specifically is it used for? What kind of applications will we find that in?
Yes, this Formsprag BDO clutch is in particular used in a device to close the well under the sea in offshore oil drilling. And as you can imagine, it's a particular critical operation because in case of failure, we can risk to have, for example, an oil spill in the ocean, which is very dangerous for the environment, but also for the risks of fire and explosion on the offshore platforms. In particular, this device has been introduced by one of our top customers also in terms of electrification. They used to have an hydraulic device, but now they moved everything to electric, so it's a Sprag clutch connected to their electric motor. As you can see, it's a very small clutch. I would call it a micro clutch in our product range, but it has a very critical function, and you can imagine that we had to ensure 27 years of life for this clutch installed under the sea. So it's a very critical component, and we need to make sure that it works well even in offshore ocean conditions, so it's a very difficult environment.
Some of the roughest environments on the planet Earth, for sure.
Exactly.
For sure. So just really one more question. I noticed an innovative, your UCC case back there. Now we talk about the Internet of Things in many different respects across all of our titles. How does that UCC case enter the IoT discussion?
Yeah, our Svendborg universal control case was developed especially during COVID, when, as you know, it was not possible to go on offshore drill ships, on offshore oil and gas platforms. It was very difficult to access those facilities in the middle of the sea for health and safety reasons. This case was developed in particular to service our hydraulic power units, which are controlling our Svendborg hydraulic brakes on equipment like drawworks, top drives, offshore cranes. So it's a way to supply our customers with the possibility to do remote service in order to ensure efficiency for their equipment, even in the middle of the sea, even in difficult conditions during COVID, without going on site physically. It's a very important component. As you know, Internet of Things has been developing a lot in the last few years, and this is our contribution to this technological trend.